My pan-fried ham recipe is easy and delicious. If you're looking for a new way to enjoy oven-baked ham or ham steaks, this is something you need to try. Let's go over the directions. Here I have an oven-baked ham. I already have some videos here on my channel showing how I make that, so I just followed my normal directions. And here I cut off some pieces. Although I normally serve it by drizzling over some of this basting liquid with pineapple juice, maraschino cherry juice, and spices, here in this pan, I'm gonna fry it. I have some oil that's heating up, and I'm literally just gonna take my pieces of ham, brown them on both sides, and then serve with some applesauce. I turn the heat up to gas mark 4 out of 6. As you can see, the oil is pretty hot. So now I'm just going to go and add my ham. I let the ham fry for 2 minutes on this side. So now I'm just going to flip it. And after another 2 minutes on the second side, my ham is now done frying. You can see it's some nice color on it. This caramelization really brings out the flavor. It makes it absolutely fantastic. As I already said, my pan-fried ham recipe was easy and delicious. With just a few extra minutes of cooking, I was able to not only bring out the flavor, but also give the edges a little bit of extra crispiness that was absolutely fantastic. I thought that the crispy, salty, warm pan-fried ham combined very nicely with the cool, smooth, creamy applesauce. So if you're looking for a sauce to put on this, I highly recommend applesauce. A pineapple sauce, such as the one I have here on my channel, would be really good as well. So honestly, I think the possibilities are endless. As you can see, I just served this with some microwaved green beans on the side, but if you want to make this part of a larger holiday meal, you definitely could. Speaking of which, if you want to serve ham for a holiday like Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, Mother's Day, or some other holiday, but you don't want to do the same thing as always, this recipe is a good way to switch things up. I also think that pan frying your ham would be a great way to use up leftovers after the holidays so that you don't have to eat the exact same thing over and over again. So in short, if you're looking for a creative way to put a new spin on an old-fashioned Southern classic, this is something you definitely need to try. I know you'll love it. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.